Okay, so we have Oxford bricks, and these are great. This one is our best seller. This is called the Code Name Cobra, and this is a complete play set, okay? And we've got this at great. Don't forget to check the link below. Check the link below on this Cobra set, because this is phenomenal. You basically get two main vehicles, and all these accessories. So your kid can set up an entire battlefield with all these Legos. Look at this, a full tank, a full vehicle. You get basically all these guys and all that. Look at it, you get a little hut, you get a little anti-missile launcher, and you get all the ammo, or the guns and everything. And this is a complete set. It's called Code Name Cobra. And then the other one we have, which is the same thing, and this is the second version of it. This is called Cobra Force, but this is out in the battlefield. And this, you get basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vehicles. 5 vehicles in this thing. And this is complete. And the price is $89? Holy moly. Only at ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and check the link below for both of these. Cobra Battle Force at ProTinkerToys.com. Made by Oxford, works completely with Legos.